Port Sudan, previously a relative safe haven during Sudan's ongoing civil war, has come under sustained drone attacks by the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces, RSF, since early May 2025, marking a significant escalation in the conflict. Timeline and targets. The RSF initiated drone strikes on Port Sudan on May 3, 2025, targeting the Osman Digna Air Base, a goods warehouse, and civilian facilities. Subsequent attacks over the following days hit critical infrastructure, including fuel depots, the main power station, the international airport, and a hotel near the presidential residence. These strikes resulted in massive fires, a citywide power outage, and the suspension of all flights to the city. Humanitarian impact. Port Sudan serves as a critical hub for humanitarian aid and hosts hundreds of thousands of internally displaced persons. The drone attacks have severely disrupted aid deliveries, with the UN suspending humanitarian flights due to safety concerns. The destruction of fuel and power facilities has exacerbated the humanitarian crisis, leading to shortages of essential supplies and services. Diplomatic fallout. In response to the attacks and allegations of foreign support for the RSF, Sudan severed diplomatic ties with the United Arab Emirates, UAE, on May 6, 2025, accusing it of arming the RSF. The UAE has denied these allegations. This move has further complicated international efforts to mediate the conflict. Broader conflict context. The civil war in Sudan, which began in April 2023, has resulted in at least 24,000 deaths and displaced around 13 million people. The RSF's use of drone warfare represents a strategic shift, allowing them to target key government-held areas in the east, including Port Sudan. This escalation has raised concerns about the potential for the conflict to further destabilize the region.